Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get copper in LEGO Fortnite. Copper is an essential resource for crafting stronger tools and progressing in the game, so let's get started. First, copper is found inside caves, but not just any cave. You'll need to head into the Dry Valley biome. That's the desert with lots of sand, cacti, and cliffs. Copper doesn't spawn in the grasslands or frostlands, so focus on Dry Valley caves. Before you can mine copper, you'll need an uncommon pickaxe or better. A common pickaxe won't break copper nodes. To craft an uncommon pickaxe, you'll need rods and bones, which you can get from defeating skeletons and cutting trees or knotroot inside caves. Once you have the right pickaxe, go into the Dry Valley cave and look for reddish, orange ore deposits along the walls. Swing your pickaxe to collect copper ore. Keep in mind, these caves can have enemies, so bring some food and weapons to stay safe. After mining, take your copper back to your village and process it into a metal smelter to create copper bars. These are used to craft advanced tools, weapons, and even some key structures for progression. And that's how you get copper in LEGO Fortnite. Head to the Dry Valley, upgrade your pickaxe, and start mining. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick LEGO Fortnite tips. Thanks for watching!